A quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 has -7 and 2 as solutions. We want to find the values of b and c if the value of a is 1. So hint, we're going to use the zero factor property in reverse. So the key here is to look at the solutions that we were told in the problem. So let's take a look at the solutions. Okay, so these are the solutions. Okay, so recall that we're going in reverse. So we're using the zero factor property in reverse. So technically, we know that we have two solutions. We have x, which is equal to -7, or x, which is equal to 2. Now, what would this look like before that? Well, before that, we know that we would have to add 7 to both sides. So we have x plus 7 equals 0. Or if we subtract 2, we have x minus 2, which is equal to 0. Now recall that in order for us to use the zero factor property, that means we have x plus 7 times x minus 2, and that's equal to 0. So what we need to do is, in order to put it into this form, we need to multiply those together. So over here to the right, what we're going to do is we're going to use the box method to multiply these two. Okay, so we have x, and then we have plus 7, and then we're multiplying it by x times minus 2. So we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So x times x is x squared. X times 7 is 7x. -2 times x is -2x. -2 times 7 is -14. So we end up getting x squared, and then we're going to combine these two terms because -2x plus 7x is plus 5x, and then that becomes -14. So now in step number 4, we now can write this in the form of x squared plus 5x minus 4, and that's equal to 0. Now notice that they already told us that the value of a is 1. So we know that a is equal to 1. We determined that b is equal to 5. And now that should be minus 14 here. So therefore c is equal to -14. And now we can go ahead and fill in the answers. So we know that b is equal to 5. And then c is equal to -14. Let's check our answer, and there is our result.